Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a super healthy and quick recipe. This salad you can prepare in no time. First let's look at the ingredients we need. We need 300 gram of green beans, 1 large onion, 1 tomato, lime juice, green chilli and quarter cup of grated coconut, salt, black pepper powder and roasted cashew. Alright, let's start preparing everything. First the bean. Wash and clean your green beans. Now we are going to cut these beans into small pieces just like this. When chopping the tomato, make sure remove the pulp. See, if you keep the pulp, the salad get too watery and we don't want that. Cut these tomato into small pieces just like this. Let's chop the large onion. And green chilies. Put a pot of water on the stove and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Once the water is boiling, add the chopped beans and cook them for only 2 minutes. We don't want them soft, we want them crisp. After 2 minutes, take the bean off the heat and immediately put them into a bowl of cold water. Now just set them aside to drain all the excess water. Take a separate mixing bowl, add the chopped onion and green chilies. Add 1 tablespoon of lime juice. half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix all of these really well. Next, we will add the chopped tomato. Give that quick stir. Now add green beans. Mix them gently so everything is coated. Finally, let's add quarter cup of grated coconut and mix it one last time. Before we serve this beautiful salad, I'm going to sprinkle some roasted and crushed cashew on top. You can add a little extra coconut too for garnish. And there you have it, our salad is finished. It is truly delicious, so please do try it out. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching my videos. We will meet again soon with another recipe. Until then, bye.